Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with what matters. Confirm you have admin access or the recovery code and the device where Salesforce Authenticator was installed. Open Salesforce in a browser, sign in with your username and password, and when prompted for two-step verification, choose the option to reset or report a lost device. Make sure your phone's clock is accurate, because time skew breaks codes. Once done, notify your IT admin if policy requires approval, and prepare to register a new authenticator. Now follow the reset flow. From your Salesforce profile or the login prompt, select Reset Authenticator or Remove Linked Device. You'll verify identity next, use the email link, SMS code, or have an admin approve your request. This step prevents unauthorized changes. After verification, choose to register a new device, then open the Salesforce Authenticator app on your phone. Add an account, and either scan the QR code displayed in Salesforce or enter the setup key manually. Make sure to finish by approving the push or typing the time-based code shown in the app. This confirms linkage. Once confirmed, save any backup codes provided and record recovery options with your admin. Make sure to test a logout and log in to validate the new setup. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, ensure device time is set to automatic, and try again. If still blocked, escalate to your Salesforce admin or support team so they can revoke the old device and complete a manual reset for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.